Hey guys, my name is Freedom. Today I'm going to show you how to generate the 3D crowd for iClone 7 just by using the iClone 8 crowd generator. And this is a backward compatible life hack for iClone 7. So start from now, I'm going to show you the step by step. First, if you not yet get the iClone 8, you can just go to freedom3d.net to get the software. You can get it from the official link that I provided in freedom3d.net. Alright, let us start this tutorial. First, we are going to start from the iClone 8. To generate crowds, first you have to just go to create, scatter, generate crowd. This is a feature. Then, first we are going to clear everything at here. Now, first, we need to create a volume. Right. Once you already created a volume of the crowds already here, then you can just press R to make this volume bigger. And the amount you can just make it more so that this crowd will just included about 8 people. Then the actor pools are the avatar that you are going to assign into the crowds. You can just select from actor. Select from here any of the 3D avatar. And first I'm going to select from the actor called crowd. Right. What you need to do is just drag and drop the actors into here. Right. For any of the 3D avatar here, it is automatically assigned into the crowds. It can be more, it can be just a little bit, it depends. Then next is the spacing. The spacing of the crowds. And then the orientation. The orientations, you can just make it random. This is random orientation. Just make it once. And the orientation you can change. Next, we are going to assign the RL motions or I motion. The iClone motion file set here. Go to the animations. Select from here. Select from here the iClone motion file. For example, change pose, dance graceful, air dance. For example, here if I only put 3, it is going to assign into the crowds for each of it randomly. So next, just click deploy actor. Once you click deploy actor, just wait for a while, it is going to assign. Right. If you love my 3D animations videos tutorial, you can just go to the bottom and subscribe to my YouTube channel so that when next time I publish a new videos, tutorials or sharings, you receive a notification immediately. You can turn on the mini bell and select all to turn on all the notifications. Right now, you can see all of these crowds already. Deploy. Next, just check the scene. All already here. You can export as FBX. First, if you want to import into iClone 7, so all of this you have to just select, click under the scene, click the first one, hold the control, just click it one by one to select all at once and export as FBX. So now, next I'm going to close this. The scene already selected, click File, Export, FBX. Then the target 2 preset, choose Maya, the current frame, or you can choose the range. First, before you export, you better to just play and check the animations. Then select the range that you want to export. For example, at here. So now the range already selected. Then click File, Export, FBX. Select the range and embed the texture. Export as Maya. Click Export. Then as demo, I'm going to export it on my desktop. I will create a new folder here. Name this as crowd 01. Right. Double click in. The file name, I'm going to name this as crowd 01. Then I click save. It is going to export everything into just one FBX file. It is going to export at once. So now, once done already, the FBX file will be here inside the folder. You can see this here. So to import into the iClone 7, what you need to do is just use the iClone 3D Exchange. Drag and drop the crop 01 into iClone 3D Exchange 7. Then wait for a while. Now it is importing. Then you have to make sure you import the animations. And click OK. Now you can see this auto conversion pop out. You can just choose no. We don't need that. And now you can see all of these crowds. Actually, it is including the animations. You can just scroll down and have a look. The animations is at here. Click and try to play. You can check all of these crowds with the assigned 3D animations still at there. So now we are going to export as the props. So just click here to export as props. And always remember, you need to export the animation together, like this. Then the destination, just choose other. The crowd 01, embed the texture. Then as demo, I will just export it on my desktop and click OK. Now it will become a prop with the animations. Just wait for a while. Now it is exporting. Now you can see it already done exporting, successfully exported. Click OK. The prop is already here. So now finally you are in iClone 7. To use this crowd, you can just drag in the props to anywhere. Then now you try to play. You can see the crowd already at here. All of these people have their own 3D animations. It already at here. Because of you selected the range, so it only play the animations in range. Everything already successfully imported into the iClone 7. Alright, that's all for today about my tutorials on how to generate the 3D crowds for iClone 7 by using iClone 8. As finally, you are going to import into iClone 7 as a backward compatible life hack to own all of the crowds that you generated in iClone 8. Then now finally it is in iClone 7. Alright, that's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you love my videos, tutorials and sharings, if you feel all these tutorials and sharings are very helpful to your 3D modeling, 3D animations and 3D game developing, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel, turn on the mini bell and select all notifications so that when next time I publish a new videos, tutorials or sharings, you receive a notification immediately. You can get the iClone 8 and Character Creator 4 from my website freedom3d.net. It is going to lead you to the official sites to get it from Revolution official sites. Alright, thank you for watching. See you in my next video. See you.